Hello guys, this is Indian Dynamite. Today I am going to teach you that Sudigali sudheer magic trick which I done at school with the 9th class boys. Before starting the tutorial, I just want to tell you one thing that here I am not going to insult him by revealing his tricks. All I want to do that is to tell you how did he do that and teach you how to do that. Hope you understand and let's get into the tutorial. Yo guys, this is the tutorial. First, Sudheer give a deck to the students and say them to shuffle. Yes, now deck is completely shuffled. And this is the main part of the trick, that we should remember the top card. In this case, top card is 5 of clubs. How Sudheer remembers is, he just fall off all the cards like this and he slightly stop here and sees the top card. It's a difficult way, but I can show you easy way. Just spread all the cards and say that the deck is fully shuffled and secretly see the top card like this. In this case, our top card is 5 of clubs. Now Sudheer says that stop when you satisfy. Students can say stop anywhere, and if students stop here, he do this move and this also. While doing this move, he pull the top card to his left hand like this. I can show you once more. Children stop here and he do this move and he tap the deck like this and he pull the top card to his left hand, and he divert the students by saying that this card is known by you and me, but nobody knows this card. Take this card and put in your pocket like this, and also says that mix the card in the deck. The card is fully mixed in the deck. Now Sudheer take the card and search for the card. A card is 5 of clubs. He search for the 5 of clubs now. Here's the 5 of clubs. He just take the 5 of clubs and put it at the top of the deck. And now he gonna do that double lift. He just flip the top 2 cards as a one card and show them that this is your card, and children says no, and he just close these cards, 2 cards, and put the top card in their hands. The double lifting is difficult to do. I put the double lift tutorial in the link. You can check out there how to do a double lift. You just flip the 2 cards and you put the top card in their hands and you just do something like this and card will be changed. Thank you for watching. Yo guys, hope you enjoy the tutorial. If you want this tutorial in Hindi or Telugu, you can comment below that which language should I use. And one more thing, if you like the video, just give a thumbs up. If you want to learn a new tricks, just subscribe to my channel.